my name is Roxanne Gavari with Pemberley Realty, and my partner Elizabeth and we have an amazing property to show you today in Chula Vista, California. Elizabeth is down at the property and she's all ready to showcase the property and show you everything that the property has to offer. Elizabeth, take it away.
Thank you, Roxanne. Hi, I'm Elizabeth, an agent at Pemberley Realty, and today we are in beautiful Southeast Chula Vista, showcasing this beautiful corner lot at 321 Corte, Nacion. I am sitting here in this home's beautiful, spacious living room, equipped with a beautiful fireplace, perfect for relaxing and reading your favorite magazines. This is a beautiful remodeled home from the 1970s, and here we have the gorgeous dining room. I love it. This is the beautiful updated kitchen. As you can see, there's no words to describe it. This is the gorgeous master bedroom with a full equipped master bathroom. I could just lay here all day. This is the gorgeous attached bathroom with two beautiful vanities, gorgeous walk-in shower. It's just perfect. Here we have a beautiful, spacious backyard. If you like to host or have your little ones playing in a safe space, or even have dreams of a future jacuzzi, this is the place for you. Here we have a gorgeous in-home office converted out of one of the 4 bedrooms in this home, along with 2.5 bathrooms. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautifully remodeled home in a cul-de-sac, because here at Pemberley, we strive to teach you everything about the home you will buy. If you're interested in this home, feel free to reach out, ask any questions. Our number is located down at the bottom.
Thank you for joining us today. If you're thinking of selling your property, please give us a call. Here's our phone number. And we always appreciate your questions and your comments, so please list them below. And we would like your thumbs up, so give us your thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and have a beautiful day.